Hey guys, so today we're going to work on question number 4 on your Isolines Practice worksheet. And this question is saying, on the map, draw the 1002 millibar, 1016 millibar, and 1020 millibar isobars. Extend the isobars to the edges of the map, meaning you cannot just leave your lines hanging. They need to extend to the edge, just like the other isolines they drew. They need to connect to the edge of the map, okay? So let's start with our 1012 millibar isobar. Remember, isobar just means air pressure. They normally come in thousands like this, and millibar is a unit for air pressure. The first thing you're going to do is circle all your 1012s on your map. Let's see. I see a 1012 right here. I see one right here. I keep breaking my pencil. Let's see. I don't see any more 1012s. So the second step is to find the hidden 1012. So I'm going to start from the bottom. You can start anywhere. Just look all between all the numbers to figure out where your 1012s might be. So 1012 is not between these two numbers. It's not between 1012 and 1010 because this is 1012. 1012 is between 1011 and 1013, so I'm going to draw a star there. Since we're drawing 3 lines, keep your stars small, keep your space small, okay? 1012 is between 1010 and 1014. I'm going to draw a star here. It's between 1010 and 1015. 1012 is between 1010 and 1014. The more stars you draw, the better. Easier it is for you to find your trail. 1012 is between 1011 and 1014, so I'm going to draw another star. It's between 1011 and 1016. I'm going to draw another star. Let's see. It's between 1009 and 1016. Draw another star. It's between 1011 and 1014. So I'm going to draw another star. I don't see anywhere else 1012 could be. Definitely check through the whole map. So now my final step is to connect all the stars and my dots, right? So here's my 1012 dots. Actually, right here I could also draw a star. 1012 is between 1010 and 1013. So now let's connect the star with the 1012 dot. This can connect with this star connect here and here and here, connecting all the stars and the dots for 1012, and there you go. Now, even though I connected everything, all my marks, I cannot leave this like this because this, I have a gap here, I have a gap here. Remember, isolines never just end like that, right? They always are closed circles. So I'm gonna draw this to the edge of the map, and I'm gonna draw this to the edge of the map. And now this is my 1012 millibar isobar. Let's try 1016. So I'm going to erase all my other circles to not confuse myself. And if you want, you can also erase the stars that you drew for the other line. Just keep the line that you drew for 1012. Okay, so 1016, I'm going to find all my 1016s first. Here's 1016. Here's 1016. Here's 1016, here's 1016, and that's about it. So now I'm going to find all my hidden 1016s. 1016 is between, start from the bottom. It's not between these two numbers. It's not between these two numbers. It's not between these two numbers. It is between 1015 and 1017. I'm going to draw a star here. It is between 1018 and, actually no, it's right here. 1016 is right here. What about 1013, 1017? The 1016 is a number between that. It's between 1014 and 1017. It's between 1014 and 1019. It's between 1014 and 1020. Oh, here's another 1016 I didn't circle earlier. 1016 is between 114 and 120. I think that's about it. I can draw more stars as I go if I need to. So now let's connect the lines. So I'm going to connect this 1016 with this one. This line can connect to this star and then this star. And then this 1016 dot, go through the dots. The star right here and then this dot. And then careful not to cross over the 1012 line. I can connect to this star right here, and then I can connect to this 1016 dot. Now I can't just leave my line like this. I have to connect to the edges of the lines as well. And there you have it. That's my 1016 line. That's my 1012 line. I'm not gonna cross my lines ever. Now finally I need my 1020 line, and for that, first I need to circle my 1020s. Let's erase my 1016 circles so I don't confuse myself. Okay, so now that I erased all that, I can circle my 1020s, right? So let's see. Here's a 1020, here's 1020, here's 1020, here's 1020. I don't really see any more 1020s. This is telling me that my 1020 line should be very small, right? So now my second step is to find all my hidden 1020s. 1020 is between 1018 and 1022. Let's draw a star there. It's between 1018 and 1021. Let's draw a star there. 1020 is between 1021 and 1019. It's between 1019 and 1023. 1020, remember this line is your 1016 line. So that means every single point on this line is 1016. 1020 is a number between 1016 and 1024. This is my 1024 line. This is my 1016 line. 1020 is between that, so I'm going to draw a star in between those lines. 1020 is between 122 and 116. Let's see, it's between 1022, 1018 and 1022, and 1020 is between that. I think I have enough stars now I can connect. So let's connect my 1020 dot to this star, and then this dot, and then this star, and this star, and this star, and then this 1020 dot. Make sure you connect to the dot of the number. And then this star, and then this dot, and then this star. Now where do I go? Do I go up or down? Well, 1020 is not between 1022 and 1024, so I can't go through here. I'm just gonna end with by connecting to the edge. And this can also be connected to the edge. And that's my 1020 line. Remember, you can draw as many stars as you need. It doesn't have to be exactly like this, as long as your lines are going through or in between the same numbers. Your final map should look something like this. Make sure all your isobars are drawn correctly. For full credit, if you draw any additional isobars, that also needs to be correct. Make sure your lines are going through in between the correct numbers. And go ahead and try map number 5.